مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا بكم. In this lesson in Modern Standard Arabic, you're going to learn how to say museum, ruins, expo, showroom, what's the difference, castle, fort, tower, harbor, a historical building, all those names of basically touristic places in Arabic. هيا نبدأ. Let's begin. أولاً, first of all, the word متحف. متحف is a museum. And I have an example over here. متحف التاريخ الطبيعي في أبو ظبي. So the Natural History Museum in Abu Dhabi. تاريخ means history. طبيعي means natural from the word طبيعة, which means nature. متحف, a museum. متحف اللوفر, the Louvre Museum in France, and the plural word of متحف would be متاحف, متاحف. And note that that's a broken plural. Normally, in a متحف or in that particular type of museum, we display what we call تحف in the plural. تحف, which is basically artifacts. تحف. In the singular, تحفة. تحفة. And I have an example over here. تحفة فنية. تحفة فنية. And it literally means an artistic artifact. فن means art. We add the ya of attribution to change it to an adjective. So it becomes artistic. So from art, fan, we change it to فنية, artistic, using the ya of attribution over here. Same way when you speak about nationalities, for example, لبناني, لبناني, لبنانية. تحفة فنية. So typically, in this type of museum, which we call المتحف, we display التحف. And over here, we have آثار, آثار, which means ruins, ruins, آثار. آثار is a plural word. The singular of آثار means, is أثر, and that means a trace. أثر, a trace. So literally we mean by that historical traces or something like that. So آثار مدينة صور, for example, is the ruins of Tyre city in Lebanon. آثار. Now earlier we spoke that متحف is a museum, but it's a type of like historical museum, or where we display ancient historical items, which we called التحف, artifacts. But over here, when we say معرض, and just note that it could be pronounced as معرض or معرض, it goes both ways. So معرض or معرض, Dubai, for example, over here, it's a museum, but it could, within this context, it refers to an expo, for example. Expo 2022 over here, I've got this picture. So معرض or معرض Dubai. The plural would be معارض in the broken plural. معارض. Also, for example, an art gallery or an artistic, literally, gallery, we say معرض فني or معرض فني. A car showroom or gallery, for example, معرض سيارات or معرض سيارات. The verb عرض means to display or put something on offer, literally. The verb form عرض, to display or to offer something, put something on offer. Hence, we say معرض or معرض is the place where you display items or put them up for sale or something like that. So that's different to متحف. Just beware, متحف is mainly for historical items and artifacts, معرض could be used like for an art gallery, a showroom, an expo. But that's really important to know the difference. A fort is قلعة. قلعة. In the plural, قلاع أو قلعات. قلاع أو قلعات. قلعة طرابلس, the fort of Tripoli in Lebanon. Mina is a harbor or a port. Mina, the plural is موانئ. موانئ. And over here, ميناء جبيل. ميناء جبيل. جبيل harbor. And again, that's a famous city in Lebanon. مبنى is a building. مبنى. مبنى تاريخي, that means a historical building. Historical building. مبنى تاريخي. The plural of مبنى is مباني. مباني, and that's a broken plural. A palace is قصر. قصر. قصر Westminster. The Palace of Westminster. And the plural of قصر is قصور, the broken plural. قصور. Burj is a tower. For example, Burj Khalifa, the Tower of Khalifa. In the plural, we say أبراج أو بروج. أبراج أو بروج. To review, now it's your turn to try and guess what's the meaning of each of these words. Pause the screen, take your time, and then we'll do the answers together. So here are the answers. Remember that athar means ruins. Mathaf is where you display historical items like a tuhaf, which are artifacts. Ma'rad could refer to like an exhibition, an expo, or a car showroom. For example, a job expo, something like that. Qal'a, a fort. Mina, a port or harbor. Mabnan, a building. Qasr, a palace. Burj, a tower. شكرا لكم ولحسن المتابعة.